Have you ever pictured a construction site? You probably think of hard hats, steel-toed boots, and a lot of heavy lifting, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because the construction industry is getting a massive high-tech upgrade. Welcome to the future of building, where technology isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of everything we do. Forget what you thought you knew. Today's construction sites are buzzing with innovation. We're talking about robotic arms that can lay bricks with incredible precision, working tirelessly day and night. Imagine giant 3D printers creating entire houses out of concrete, layer by layer, in a fraction of the time it used to take. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. These technologies are making construction faster, safer, and more sustainable than ever before. And it doesn't stop there. Look up in the sky. Those aren't birds. They're smart drones. They soar over job sites, creating detailed 3D maps, monitoring progress, and inspecting hard-to-reach areas. This gives project managers a real-time bird's-eye view of everything, helping them spot potential issues before they become major problems. Down on the ground, workers are using augmented reality glasses. This AR tech overlays digital blueprints and instructions directly onto their field of view, so they can see exactly where a pipe needs to go or how a complex component fits together. It's like having a digital expert guiding your every move. Behind the scenes, artificial intelligence is the real game changer. AI algorithms are analyzing massive amounts of data to optimize project schedules, predict costs with pinpoint accuracy, and even identify safety risks on site before an accident can happen. By analyzing patterns from past projects, AI helps us build smarter, more efficiently, and most importantly, keep our crews safer. From exoskeletons that help workers lift heavy loads with ease to connected sensors that monitor the structural health of a building in real time. Every aspect of construction is being revolutionized. This is a new era of construction. It's a field where brawn meets brains, where digital innovation meets physical creation. We are building the world of tomorrow, and we're doing it with the most advanced technology on the planet. The future isn't just coming. We are actively building it, one smart brick, one drone flight, and one line of code at a time. This is Technoid BTP, where the future of construction starts today. Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed by this as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest in construction tech. See you in the next one.